Finding the midpoint between 2 points is very straightforward. Really, you are just finding the average of the x values to find the middle x value, and then you're averaging the y values to find the middle y value. Looking at this example, the formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That gives you your new x value and your new y value. So we can add our x's, that's -4 plus 2, and divide by 2, and then add our y's, 1 plus -3, and divide by 2. -4 plus 2 is -2 divided by 2. 1 plus -3, that's like 1 minus 3, which is -2. And we're going to divide by 2. And that is -1, -1. And if you're given a picture of a graph, it's always good to look back and see if it makes sense based on the graph. So -1, -1 does look like that's about where the midpoint should be.